Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shubh Agarwal. Welcome to Holistic Workshop.
Let's get some groceries.
Are beans healthy? Let's learn the facts. They were first cultivated in Peru and Mexico 8,000 years ago. Wow! The phytochemicals, in particular polyphenols, confer beans with amazing health benefits. Its powerful antioxidant activity acts as an antithesis to free radicals, heavy metals, oxidation, slowing and arresting degenerative diseases. It improves gut health by enriching our microbiome. Studies have shown that higher bean intake is associated with significant reduction of advanced intestinal polyps through its phytonutrients, increased gut butyric acid, and low glycemic index. A 10-gram increase of fiber reduces colon cancer risk by 10%, boosting levels of micronutrients significantly. High fiber consumption has been shown in several large studies to reduce the risk of death from any cause, heart disease, cancer, and infections, ranging anywhere from 30 to 50%. So as you can see, including beans in your diet will fight diseases across the spectrum. I am going to get my soup now. Please subscribe, leave a comment, join the revolution, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you for watching.